Here I have NOKIA G50, and today I'm going to show you how to access developer options on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the About Phone section. Here you have to find the line build number and tap on it with your finger several times until you get the message you are now a developer. And now in System section, Advanced, you can find these developer options. So you can also disable them here, like this, and after that they will disappear from the settings list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.